Okay guys, so this is again completing the square, but I put a number 2 because this example that I did in the first video I sent has a radical in the answer, and I think some of you guys are still having problems with the ones that don't have a radical in the answer, so I'm just going to go over it really quick. Okay, and I apologize again, these are going to be really quick videos just because I know it's late at night and you guys are probably trying to get to sleep. Okay, so we have x squared, and we can go ahead and put this down. And where did x squared come from? Came from x times x. We have a nice smaller number now, it's 8. What is half of 8? 4. So we're going to do plus 4. 2, 3, 4. And do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what would my little checkered box look like here? What is 4 times 4? 16. Okay, so once again, I'm going to split my problem right there to create my perfect square trinomial. X squared plus 8x. How many did I need to add? 16. And again, I can't just be adding things all willy-nilly, right? I have to keep my equation balanced. So if I added 16 here, I need to also subtract 16 and then just bring the rest of my equation. Plus 15 equals 3. Okay, again, I know this is a perfect square trinomial, and where did it come from? From x plus 4 times x plus 4. And negative 16 plus 15 will give me negative 1. And again, now this is something that we know how to work with, correct? All right, so opposite operations, add 1 to both sides. X plus 4 squared equals 4. And now I can do what? Call on the square root fairy. There we go, square roots. This undoes this, and I'm left with x plus 4 equals, now this is a perfect square. So we're not going to forget about the plus or minus. But 4 is a perfect square, and what gives me 4? 2 times 2. Remember, when we're breaking a number down, we want to see twins. Do we see twins? Yes, we do. So these come out of the jail, out of the house, and what is left inside? Nothing. So that's why I have a 2. When you have a perfect square, you do not bring the radical down. Okay? I wish I could write clearly, so I hope this comes out good for you guys. When you have a perfect square and the radical, you don't bring the radical down. Okay, so then now what I do, I still do my opposite operations. And x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 2. We cannot leave it like that because these are like terms. And what do? I split it into 2. Negative 4 plus 2 and negative 4 minus 2. What do I get? Negative 4 plus 2 gives me negative 2. Negative 4 minus 2 gives me negative 6. Remember, I owe Ms. Ramos $4. She lets me borrow 2 more. Now I owe her 6. So these are my answers, okay? Negative 2 negative 6. Okay, so I hope maybe these two examples helped clear it up, and don't forget that if you have a perfect square, you do not bring the radical down, because that's what sometimes you guys tend to do. Bring the radical down. Perfect square, we brought the number down, no more radical. Okay? All right, good night.